Ms. Jones say. So one would have to definitely be sure the servicer applies to principal. I've seen them screw up billing royally. Okay, Ms. Jones, you are right. And here's the only way it can get screwed up, okay? Number one, the people who work at the bank have not been taught, number one, how a loan actually works, okay? That's it. That's part of the problem. Number two, if you escrow your mortgage payment, meaning you have taxes and insurance built into your loan, into your mortgage payment, okay? So when you make a payment, you have taxes and insurance involved, all right? That's called the escrow payment. Every bank that I know of has a default system, and the default system is if we don't hear from you in a way that we need to hear it, that you want this extra money to go to principal, we're automatically going to put it in your escrow account. That is the default. They know if you give them an extra $5,000, they know that you don't want that to go to the escrow account. For what? It pays you no interest. It's only there to pay the taxes and insurance for you. But if you give them an extra $5,000, they just need to hear from you that you want this money to go to principal. But you have to do it in the way that your particular institution wants to see or hear that information. Okay? So if you send a check, most people think I just put it in the memo. I want to go to principal, or you write a note. Yeah, that might work for your bank. It may not work for another bank. So you find out how you make principal payments, follow their rules. They must apply that money to principal. Okay? So follow the rules, you'll make out. I've seen it happen too, Ms. Jones, but that's one way we can keep from getting that all messed up. And even if it does go to the escrow account, it'll take maybe a couple of phone calls to have it applied to principal. It can be done. Just be patient, get the work done. It's going to be well worth the effort to get that straightened out. But if you do it the way that they ask you to do it, you shouldn't have a problem at all.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.